Installing synthetic sisal the conventional way. Tools and products required. To ensure less movement, we recommend a dense 7mm commercial grade underlay. We recommend short pin smooth edge, double batten and extra wide to ensure it grabs properly. Applied close to the wall with a tight gully. Cross joins are never recommended, it will cause broken loops. After trimming, fold back one piece and mark the floor using the remaining edge as a guide for the release tape. Apply the silicone release heat bond tape. Seal both edges with PVA glue to stop any fraying. The glue will dry clear and hard. Set the seaming iron to 2 to 3 and test the heat. Too hot can cause knuckling. Lift both sides to slide the iron under the carpet and over the tape. Heat for 8 to 10 seconds, then move it along. Use a spike roller to help the glue spread evenly. Add some weight on top to keep the join flat and prevent peeking. Now you've got a smooth, seamless join that blends perfectly with the rest of the carpet. Carpet should be laid in accordance with the Australian and NZ standards. Smooth edge placement is critical to a neat finish. Ensure fresh blades on the trimmer are used. Press the edge of the carpet under the baseboard with a carpet chisel. Synthetic Sisal Conventional Installation Guide, brought to you by Providence Carpet.